當時主耶穌喺聖殿趕出牛羊鴿子嘅日，點解會使法利賽人同埋大祭司係咁憎主耶穌咧？因為佢直情打沉佢哋嘅打龍通啊！當時兌換銀錢嘅人咪就係今時今日銀行家啦。你千祈唔好諗住唔 prophetic 喎，係超級 prophetic 㗎。今時今日教會一樣同銀行家咧都係打龍通嘅。佢哋嘅信仰走到自己安舒舒服，總之對神付出有咁少得咁少，最緊要唔痛、唔攰、唔麻煩，唔好有任何浪費。
Whispering cries, we sacrifice comfort, shielding from lies. Crowds seek ease, avoiding the strain. Only truth, pain brings us beyond gain. Priests offer more than just a facade. Living sacrifices, lifting to God. Compromise weakens the core of our soul. To embrace the pain is our ultimate goal. Shadows will fade with dawn's early gleam. The path is clear in this holy dream. Offered with love, our lives to the sky. With truth in our hearts we'll never defy.
神規定咗，原來嚟到壇前，所有祭物應該係活祭。祭司要製造呢種嘅 sacrifice， 但係祭司咧就點樣啊？懶喎，嚟到壇前呢一秒鐘，連祭司都偷雞。但係問題佢仍然攞祭司嘅職分，攞祭司嘅錢，唔可以係咁噶。咁你睇下主耶穌基督佢有冇話唔使負責任咧？
Broken and willing to walk through the fire, not a single step back, pushing